that man who is always sleeping with people's wives, it is easy for spiritual attacks to get you. As a man, no matter how you take how you like woman as a man, avoid people's wives. Avoid sleeping with people's wives. It is a destroyer. It will weaken you spiritually.
I don't know that they have plans to move on with Yul Edochie. All they did is they started pushing me. I should come and collect my bride price. I should come and collect my bride price. Like joke. They will go and put it at the welfare. They will go and put it at court. I called them. So I will.
My people, some men they eat shao. So Yul Edochie posted this video. This is one of his broadcasts today. And I know say Yul Edochie don't turn pastor. So his preaching today was like all these men where they sleep with people's wife, that they should stop it though. That any man where they sleep with person wife, that is easy for any spiritual attack to, get the person. Or more if you see comment section, and they talk about Judy Austin, Yul Edochie's owner. Make I no talk sha, but it was people were attacking him left and right. May fans were like, so you are talking all these things so that people wey get eyes on May no go see him. They go they fear say because say he never divorced me, maybe yes. If you see attack from May's nation, you go weep for this man. As if that one was not enough, now so another set of people from the other angle can they drag Yul Edochie like I pass my generator, can they tell him say you unko. Shebi Mr Obasi, Judy Austin ex-husband come out for public, then they cry say you be they sleep with him wife. Allegedly, I know they there. Now waiting they happen for online, now they talk. I know they took mouth for waiting no concern me. So this thing why they report now waiting I hear. So allegedly. Mr Obasi come out that time can they cry say make people help him more. Then they ask him to return bride price of Judy Austin. More today's dragging for Yul Edochie's page no be small thing. No, I can't they close my eyes say more this one go end so cause I don't think this kind dragging go end anytime soon. No, until Yul Edochie divorce his wife officially, that's May. That is when he will have the peace of mind. I keep on saying this thing. As May Edochie talk say she won't go, make you kukuma leave and make you go. Sign the damn papers, make she go. Who knows? She might see another man and marry. You concentrate on your family. Since marriage no work for one or two, at least co-parenting will work. That's how it is. Maybe you guys' destiny are not meant to, marry each other. Allegedly. My people, see you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more banging news with the tutorial body. When I see they do it for my page, no don't moment at all. As then they cook and that's why they can't give on. It's still your one and only amiable girl Cindy. Stay safe and always remember, don't throw stone when you are living at a glass land, cause that throne might eventually turn back at you. Bye.